Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. What makes a stir fry so incredibly comforting? Chinese takeout is something we all love, right? This Kung Pao chicken is a guilty pleasure and takes so little time to arrive to your door. But what if I told you that you could make something every bit as tasty in just about the same amount of time, and you get to control the ingredients? Sounds amazing, right? This homemade Kung Pao chicken is a tasty dinner recipe with a kick. This dish is filled with chicken, nuts, and is covered in an amazing sauce. To get started, let's prepare 1 pound of chicken thigh. Cut into 1-inch cubes. Then let's marinate it with 1 tablespoon of dry cherry, followed by 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Next, let's add 1/2 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, followed by 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Combine all ingredients for the chicken and marinate for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the Kung Pao sauce. 1/2 cup of chicken broth, followed by 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of hoisin. Next, let's add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then, 2 tablespoons of dry cherry. Next, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, followed by 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well together and set aside. What else do we need? Oh, we need some vegetables. So let's pick some fresh green peppers. Cut the bell peppers into 1/2 inch pieces. Let's keep going. On a medium-high heat temperature, let's add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then, add the chicken thigh to the hot oil in one single layer and cook on all sides until the chicken is done. This should take you about 4 to 5 minutes. A pinch of salt. Next, remove the chicken thigh from the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, followed by 4 cloves of mashed garlic. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of sliced ginger. After 2 minutes, let's add the bell peppers. Let's add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until just tender. Let's add the Kung Pao sauce that we made. This is where the magic happens. Homemade Kung Pao sauce is full of spicy and sweet flavors. Once it begins to thicken slightly, add the chicken thighs back into the pan and mix all the ingredients through the sauce until the chicken is evenly coated and sauce has thickened. About 2 minutes. Moving on, let's add 1/4 cup of dried red chili peppers and 1/2 cup of cashew nuts, followed by the green onions. The history of Kung Pao chicken is very interesting. Do you know that Kung Pao means guardian of the throne? Legend has it that the dish was created by Ding Biaojian, a governor of the Sichuan province during the Qing dynasty. He created a delicacy made of diced chicken, red pepper, and nuts while in the kitchen. Kung Pao chicken was originally a private home cuisine of Ding family, but as the time passed, it became a well-known dish. Oops, my story has to stop right now. Since the Kung Pao chicken is ready, just garnish it with more green onions. Yum! This Kung Pao chicken recipe is so much better than takeout. The sauce is spicy and sweet with tender chicken that's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. This chicken dinner idea is so good. Your family won't believe you made it at home. So good. That is cooking simply delicious. Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.